Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport at Avis Budget. And let's take a look at some of the cars they have available for rent today. Just a quick reminder, if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click on that subscribe. If you like what you're watching, give the video a quick like. And we'll get started. We got a Hyundai Palisade. And this is another of my favorites, this mango colored Dodge Challenger GT. So these should actually be all-wheel drive. Be interesting to see if they hang on to these in the winter. I hope they do. And it's a busy summer day, so let's just kind of go for a walk down the aisle. I'll try and make this quick. Feel free to run this at 2x speed here. Okay, what do we got? We got anything notable here? Just a couple compact sedans, a Toyota pickup at the end. All right, so I think we're good on this aisle. Let me scoot over here. And we got an X2 here. This is kind of like the upgrade section. Got a Hyundai over here. Another Hyundai. Another VW with the wipers up. We got a Yukon. And got a couple small sedans here. We got a minivan at the end. And what do we got over here? We got a Hyundai compact SUV. Wrangler. Santa Fe. Jeep Compass, and let's see if we got anything interesting over here. Ooh, we got another Mango Challenger. Yeah, that one's got four-wheel drive for sure. Oh, sorry, that one's actually red. Yeah. We got another Kona, Elantra, Santa Fe down there, another minivan, a couple more minivans. Oh, Mercedes C300. Got a Mazda SUV. Okay, and oh, I hear a 5-liter. Is that a 5-liter Mustang coming? Oh, I think it might be. I think I might actually have my name on it. Depends where that goes, if that goes over to National or not. All right, so we got a Ford Explorer and a Dodge Ram. Oh, here you go. We got a Cadillac Escalade. I don't know if we've seen these in Toronto yet. Yeah, maybe we have. Maybe we have. Ooh, wow, that is nice. Not as many cars today, so we got a little bit of time to maybe have a look, but it's probably locked. Yeah, that's locked. All right, and these are with Air Canada. These Porsche over here. All right, let's just do a quick run through here. We got another Santa Fe. And we got these folks taking a Mitsubishi. We got a Grand Cherokee coming through here. Oh, somebody was asking about a Blazer. Yeah, so we got, oh man, this is a red line edition. Ooh, wow. Okay, heads up. Actually, I think somebody is renting from Avis. Probably about the time this video will come out. Yeah. Oh, this would be a real treat. Now, it's not, I don't think this is really full size, but if you can fit your stuff in it, I would totally take one of these with the red line package on it. So it gives you all the red accents on the wheels. And is there any red on the interior? It's got the big sunroof. This is kind of like almost like the Chevy Camaro SUVs. Let's just take a quick peek in the backside. Yeah, so it's not terribly big, but you know, there's still some storage space there. Blazer, there you go. Okay. And we got a Sonata. And not too much more over here, so I'll start wrapping things up as I walk down. Dodge Journey. Oh, wow, they stopped making those a while ago. Got another Malibu. Hyundai over there. Yeah, there's that Journey. All right, and then the returns in behind there. We got a minivan and another Hyundai Elantra. Okay, I think that's going to wrap things up. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.